Oop. Okay, I couldn't find myself for a moment there. Hi guys, it's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this demonstration is going to be on a unit with the Ranger brand, but I'm almost entirely convinced that this unit was originally put out by Automatic Radio, because there were several models with this basic design with all kinds of different brand names, and I'm pretty sure that the original manufacturer is Automatic Radio. This 8-Track's been converted to be used with a reproduction radio or a converted radio. Which means that we go, I rip out all the old guts, install my own tape head preamp, and that's what puts out the signal, meaning that these controls are no longer used because all of your volume, tone, and balance is handled at the radio. So, let's just go ahead and pop a tape in here. We got some Bonanza guitars on deck. And we'll just make sure we got both speakers working. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, I guess we don't need these anymore. Now, one thing that's one really cool feature this model has is this front panel head adjustment. If you're playing a tape that's a little bit out of alignment, you just adjust this front panel control. As you can see, the volume lessens as I take it farther and farther off proper alignment. A little volume reduction here. And we're strong again. So that's just a really cool, very handy feature. So we'll switch tracks a few more times. Okay, now let's try a more familiar tape so you can make sure the speed's correct. We got some Anne Murray here, a little more familiar material.
Take this heart and give it to the salvage, and we'll find a little high. And nature didn't give you such a beautiful face.
Okay, that unintentional track change was the result of a repair I made on the tape. I just used splicing foil to fix tapes, and then we have a track change where I put that little repair. Try just one more tape. Let's try a little bit of Neil Sedaka. I've been using him a lot lately. If I can find him. Where'd you go, Neil? Well, maybe Neil's not going to be available at the moment. Let's see if we can do another. No, Neil just isn't around right now, so we'll. Oh, here's Neil. Here we go, some Neil Sedaka. And just so you know ahead of time, his voice does sound a little bit female, so it's not because the tape's running too fast. Okay, I overloaded my receiver there. Just had to turn it back on.
And as I hold you, your fantasy. If your chick's flown the coop, knock the blues for a loop. Get out and circulate. Go on.
Takes care of that. I think that's a pretty comprehensive demonstration of the unit's operational capabilities. So I'm going to get on out of here. The next unit I'll be demonstrating will most likely be AM radio that's been converted to a FM with Bluetooth. So thanks so much for watching and listening. My number is 928-533-9666 for paying repair work only. I don't give out free advice or sell parts or belts. And my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.